The number one reason why people do what they do can be traced back to an evolutionary trait called social proof. Social proof is a survival mechanism that occurs in our brain to help us decide quickly. In short, social proof relies on the logic that if other people are doing it, it must be safe, it must be the right thing to do. I do not want to miss out on what other people are doing. There is nothing more deterring than an empty restaurant. When we see an empty restaurant, the thought that immediately crosses our mind is that this particular restaurant must be empty for a reason, something must be wrong with it, therefore I must avoid it. The converse is also true. If you pass a very busy restaurant with a huge line of people waiting to go in, what thought crosses your mind? Clearly this must be a good restaurant, and your desire to dine in such a restaurant immediately goes up. This very same concept applies to your business and your website. However, how are you supposed to portray that many people visit your website and buy your products and services? Many businesses make the use of reviews to show that people are on your website and buying your products. This builds trust and encourages people to buy. The best social proof software is called Nudgify. I have linked a free trial of Nudgify in the description. It is the best software that uses the idea of social proof to get you more sales. It has been shown that online businesses such as dropshipping and other online-based businesses that use Nudgify see an approximate increase of 80% in sale. With that being said, it is possible to make your website, online business or dropshipping store much more enticing for people to buy from, as well as spend more time on your website.